Hi guys, my name is Jana and today I'm gonna tell you history what happened me right now. I sit on bus tape and I wait to my bus. I play game on my telephone, iPhone 11, 12 and I play in Roblox and then I watch this box and this toy stay right here. I didn't see that. Okay, I want to show you guys this box with this doll. Okay. Okay, what is right to their mommy long leg Poppy Blade time 2? It's mommy long leg. Yes, it's really mommy long leg. It's toy mommy long leg on the bus. Oh my god, I'm in shock. I'm in shock! Okay, right now I must take this box. Oh, so huge! Oh my god! And I go to home. Really, I must have unboxing this doll. Yes, I must unboxing this doll. This? Interesting. Very interesting toy. I think we need to open it. Wow! How excited it looks! Gorge, amazing! Ay! Ouch! I hope I run from her. Phew. Finally, I'm run from her. Woo, I'm alive, guys. But I feel very sick. I have stomach ache and my hand. I think she bite me. I think I have fever and stomach ache. I must go to the home and sit and go to the bed and drink tea and eat my chicken soup. Maybe I must. Hold on, Jenna. Very good, very okay. I must go to home. I'm sick. I have fever. My head. I have stomach ache. I kill you. I kill you. Look. I'll kill you. George Young. What I have, it's Mommy Long Leg. Look at Mommy Long Leg. 1 second. Can I sit? May I sit? Yes? Okay, John Downey Mladshy, Young. I have so very exciting history about this toy. I found this toy on the factory. Poppy Playtime 2 in the forest. You know?
Oh my god! Jana, it's really Mommy Long Leg of Poppy Playtime game! Oh my god! What's this? You know? I don't know. Look at first legs, second legs, and here. What is this? I don't know. What you telling me, Jana?
Oh my god! I don't know what is this. Maybe it's Coke?
Maybe this it?
Maybe it's toy from our cat? Oh my god! Two! I don't know what it is. It's two.
Oh my god!
We have secret. Mommy Long Legs so secret. She. I don't know what it is. Have two.
Jana, please tell me, where do you found here?
Oh, in the forest. In the factory. Number 2 in the forest. Wow, so good.
Okay, Jana, we'll find her.
Okay, it's good idea. I will show you the secret factory in forest. Let's go. So I will find this factory in forest right now. Some photo or some information. So let's go. Factory Poppy Playtime. Mommy Long Leg toy. $2,406. My god. Huggy Wuggy, $178. I'm in shock. Okay. The fuck? Oh my god. So many factories here. Oh my god. It's this factory. Yes, it's this factory.
Really? Oh my god.
Yes.
You see it?
Yes, I'm seeing this factory in the forest.
Oh my
Real
god.
life. Yes, it's this. In the forest.
We need immediately look at
This, I know. But it's so scary to me, guys. Oh my god. It's so dark and so large here. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Guys. Oh my god. What name is there, guys? We take cat for protection against. It's my favorite cat. His name is Simba. He's so good, and honestly, he protects wizards from Mommy Long Leg, Daddy Long Leg, Sister Long Leg, Baby Long Leg, and Poppy Playtime, and Poppy, and Player, and Huggy Wuggy, and Kissy Missy, and Pidgey Pack, and oh my god, our monster here. Bye. Let's go.
Okay, Jana, where you saw factory doll?
I don't know, but maybe we must go here. Maybe this tree. Look at this. And maybe right here we need go. Because this right go into the factory of Poppy Playtime. Yes, it's right. We must go near. I saw.
Okay, show me a place where you found doll.
Okay, go.
Mommy Long Leg.
Go, okay. Let's go quickly. And I'm gonna show you. But I don't remember. Maybe this road I say you. 40,000 times. Go quickly. And I'm gonna show you. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy because factory is so dangerous place in the whole world and so secret. And this maybe I'm so lucky because I found this place. I'm so lucky, guys. You don't understand how it's been so hard for me. So let's go.
Jenna, this place?
No, not this. We must go in there.
Okay.
Oh my god, this Poppy Playtime Factory! I'm in shock, guys! Oh my god! Maybe Huggy Wuggy is here and Poppy right now and Player, my favorite player. Whoa! So let's go, guys, on Factory Poppy Playtime.
Okay guys, today I show you the Poppy Playtime Factory on the Google Maps. Okay, my card is open. Okay, and okay, looking in the place, maybe this. Yes, somewhere here. Where? So where are you? So where this? This place, guys. Okay, I take little man and here. Whoa, really? It is this place, Poppy Playtime Factory, guys. Look it. Oh my god, I don't believe. I can't believe. Identified it. So guys, you identified it yourself. This is literally Poppy Playtime Factory, and you can come like I can. And now you can come there like I can in real life. Okay, thank you for watching this video and oh my god, I'm so scared, really. And don't forget, get like me. Okay, bye. If you want to know what's inside the Poppy Playtime Factory, then watch the next video, while the video has not yet been removed.